Good day, sir, madam. I am Karasan Dalaki, 37 years old, married, blessed 3 children, 18 years old, 13 years old, and 5 years old. My husband is a driver. My father is a carpenter. My mother is a housewife. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, and taking care of children. I worked domestic helper in Kuwait in 2 years, 2014-2016, and also worked local helper in the Philippines in 2 years, 2017-2019. Sir, madam, if you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family, and I will treat your family as my own family too. I will follow all regulation and responsibilities that you give to me. Thank you and God bless.